looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today to see what we all have cooking. So grab a hold of that vine, swing on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today. You know what? It is Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays, and today for my dish, I'm going to be showing you how to make what you all may know as cracked pretzels, but in my neck of the woods, they're also known as Dot's Pretzels. So if you're up in my neck of the woods, it's a copycat recipe, and for all the rest of yous out there, it's known as cracked pretzels. So let's go ahead and let's get started and let's get cooking. Good looking. Before we even start cooking, I want to give a special shout out to Catherine's Plate. This is a very special woman to me. She's been with me from the very start of the Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays, and I want to show her how greatly appreciated she is. So Catherine, I know you're watching. Mwah. I love you, baby. And as you're going to sit there and see, it's really easy to make your very own cracked pretzels. So let's just start measuring out. Add the 1.5 teaspoons of the garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Add the 1 teaspoon of our crushed black pepper. You're going to want to sit there, open up the 1 packet of the True Lemon and dump all that in. And we're going to want to open up the 1 packet of our Hidden Valley Ranch and dump all that in. Now I'm going to grab a spoon and we're going to mix all that up inside. I have my spoon, and now I'm just going to sit there and mix everything all into this oil. I'm going to open up my pretzels and I'm going to dump all my pretzels inside the Ziploc baggie. Okay, there they all are. And now I'm just going to give this all one last good mix before I pour all this into the bag of pretzels. Alright, let's go ahead and dump this whole thing all in. And now, go ahead, close your Ziploc baggie up, and all that's left, mix everything all up. And then we're gonna let this sit for at least 2 hours, but you know what? If you leave it sit overnight, it's even better. So, I'll see you when I'm all done mixing my pretzels all up. Alright, I finished mixing mine all up. Periodically, I will come back every now and then and just give, oops, I'm sorry for bumping the camera. And I will just give it a quick little juice like I am right now. Okay, 24 hours has passed, and you know what that means. You just want to sit there and fill up your tray, spread it out. I'm gonna go grab my other tray. I have my other tray. Now, what I like about these is that they sit down on top of each other. And I have a small little countertop oven that I've been using. And go ahead, spread them out. Now, heat your oven up to 200 degrees. Cook these babies up for 40 minutes, and after that, we can enjoy them, baby. Off to the 200 degree oven for 40 minutes these go. And there you go. That's how easy it was to make what some of you know as cracked pretzels, but up in my neck of the woods, we know them as Dots Pretzels. So please leave a comment down below, give me a big old thumbs up, be sure to share this recipe with others, and most of all, I want to sit there and thank you for taking the time, for helping support my channel and watching my videos. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Oh yes. Okay, well, I have a football game to get back to. Now, word of warning, these are gonna go really fast. So you might want to sit there and double batch them, or even make a quadruple batch. They're that good.